Hi guys. Last time I opened up this doll here, but it came in the same box, but there's another one that I really want to open up. So let's open it. I'm gonna pull out this box here. Oh gosh. I'm just gonna pour it out and see if it comes. It's not working. I'll just pull it. And pull it. It's not coming out. Okay, then I'll just open up this. Okay, here's my scissors. Get it to open. There we go. Here we go. She's out. All right. The first thing I'm going to do is I really don't need this part. So I'm just going to cut it off. But if you want to keep it, you can have it. But if you ever get one and you want to keep it, you can keep it. But I really don't think, I really don't need it. So I'm not going to keep it. Because I don't really want to at all. So I'm taking off this stuff. Ugh, it's hard. A little bit harder. Okay, it's off. Okay, so now we have the main part. Okay, we're gonna start opening things up. I think I'm gonna start here and then, actually, I'll start getting these off first. And then, oh wow, look at this. And then I can, because then I could just, I'm just gonna get them out of here just now, and then I'll get the little dollies later. So I want to open these yet until I get the doll. Get these out. Come on, out. Oh wow, she has a really big bag here. So let's get this away. Now oh my gosh, let's get our doll. All right. Here she is. She comes with this beautiful hat. She's packed with surprises here, it looks like. We need to get her out. We just need to get her out of here. Looks like that's her bathing suit. Look. I don't want to get this. Okay, let's look at her. We'll look at everything properly a little bit later. We'll put these things. So I want to open. I'm going to get her out first. But on the back, she has like so much hair, like so much. Maybe that's so. Got it. This one. Arm here. Get her arm off of that. Where? Okay, so here. What else does her hair? Okay. In her hair is a big. Oh, we have a. This is gonna be. I think for her hair, I just pull it out. No. Okay, so here I can see some of her. Be really careful with the scissors. They can cut you guys. You really don't want to get cut. So, ask him in a doll if you need help. Okay, I got her hair out. Now, she has really, really crazy hair. But her hair is like this. Now, that looks crazy. I kind of like her hair sort of like tied like this, but I don't know. Let's put her hat on. Maybe that might help it a little bit. How do you put this hat in her hair? I don't understand. How does it go? All right. Here we go. It's not on correctly. That's why it's not working. All right. There we go. I'll take off her hat for a little bit. We'll get some things that are from here, but I won't really mention them a lot until I'm ready. Because we have everything we need. Now look at this little instruction manual. Alright. Well, okay. It looks, I already know how to do this. I didn't even need to look at it. Okay. Oh, wait. I forgot. There's these things. Get them out. So I can actually get this on properly. And then I have this too. Can be like sort of a table, whatever you want. I'm going to take this off because I only want her to stand on this thing. Well, we open up all of our things. I like her makeup. I really, really like her makeup. Alright, she looks crazy, but she won't later. So, she has her little hairbrush. She has this little, okay, so here's sort of like her diary or magazine with her in it. I'm gonna look at her. Alright, I sort of want to brush her hair a little bit because her hair right now is a little bit crazy. I just want her hair to stay a little more down. So I'm going to just do this and hopefully, so this isn't really working what I wanted. I'm going to put on her hat. I think her hat might help a little bit. It does not work. I'm going to try this again until I get it for now. A little bit. Okay. I'm tired of her hat here. It's like really, I don't like it. Well, it doesn't stay. It's hard to get it to stay. Okay, now, I don't know what I want to open next. Open her clothes. Here, let's see. Open this up. Ooh, it looks like she likes leopard print. Look, here's her clothes. Animal print and stuff. Let me put on her pants. Wonder what's in the little. So that bag had a bunch of a phone on it, you know, a bunch of that type of stuff. And then wait a minute. Here it is. It must fall. Oh gosh, I'm falling on here. Oh no, the wallpaper on this is coming off. Let's put it back here. Okay, let's put it back on. Alright, now, here in the money bag with the money sign on it, I'm going to open it up so I can get her clothes. Oh my gosh, this is so pretty. Look at this beautiful jacket. Look in the back of the jacket. It has a belt on it. Oh my goodness. I love it. Okay, let's put it on. Oh, look at her hot pink nails. I love it. I just love everything about her. She's beautiful. Okay, hopefully I won't ruin her. Okay, I'm going to take off this hand so that I can put on her jacket because I really don't want to ruin her beautiful nails. Her big, long, beautiful nails. They're just too pretty to ruin. You just don't want to ruin them. You might not, but it's also harder to put on jackets with their big nails on. It's just harder. Okay, so I'm going to put on her hand again and put on her other hand on the other arm. It's hard to get it on. It's on. Wow. Look at her. She looks nice. And here's her belt. So I'm going to put on her belt. It's really small. There's a pocket in her belt. Oh, wow. I love it. This is probably my favorite little doll here. It's amazing. Okay. She even has a belt. But of course, if it was a little hot and she wanted... Yeah, so... Here's her belt. It's a really nice belt of hers. It's amazing. I've never seen a belt before. No, OMG dolls. And they have, I think, 3 or 4 of them. So I don't really know much about OMG dolls. But one thing I do know about them is that they're really, really pretty. So. Alright, so here we go. She has a pocket too. So now let's open up her shoes. Her shoebox. Oh, I love this little wrapping. Open it up here. Oh, looks like she likes tiger print. Animal print. It looks like it's tigers. Looks like a tiger. Tiger shoes. It looks like she likes it because her pants are also tiger. Let's get it on. One shoe is on. Now I need to put the other shoe on. Push it in. Oh no. I ruined up her shoe a little bit. And I was trying to put it on. Here we go. It's on. Is hers on properly? Okay. Now her pants are really long, so I'm gonna have to, there we go. Here we go. She looks nice. Alright, a little box here. Here's the pink one. I'm so excited to see what's inside. Okay, this is bag. Oh! I don't understand what this is. Look at it. It's cute. It looks like there's magazines on it. Okay, it's for different things. Guess she does not get a phone. The other one we opened had a phone. Oh gosh, her earrings. Her earrings look heavy. Gosh, aren't her ears going to hurt with those earrings on? That looks like it hurts. like her clothes right now. Oh, it looks like it's gonna hurt. Like her earrings. Her necklace is also really, looks like gold. I think this is her necklace. Maybe it's a bracelet. That doesn't look much like a bracelet though. Yeah, that's not a bracelet, I don't think. I think it's, let me check. There's a picture of her, I think, somewhere. Yeah, it's not a bracelet. It's a necklace. They can't get it on her neck. Ugh. I'm never taking that off. It's so hard to get on. She has a little ring. Is it a... No, it's a watch. It's a watch. Oops. She has a little watch, and it says... It says what time it is, but I can't see it correctly. Ugh. It's so hard to get this jewelry of hers on. Take off her little hand here. And maybe if I just leave it here and now I put on the handle, that'll work, maybe. Yes, that worked. Thank goodness, because that was hard. And here's her little whatever it is. I don't know what it is, but now she can hold it. Give it to her so she can hold. Put on her hat. I'm just randomly putting on her hat and hoping that it will fit on her correctly. There we go. I like it. And her magazine. What is this? A magazine case or something? I don't know what it is. But here she is. Now, I'm going to put her in here. In her little house here. So that, and I'm going to put some things in this little yellow container. So just a few little things so that I don't lose them. Gonna grab them here. Oh, I brought it upside down, didn't I? Silly me. Oh, actually, no, it's wrong. It's right. Okay, this I'm going to put here. This thing, where is, I'm looking for a few, this is what I'm looking for. This I'm going to put here with these little hangers. It's hangers on it. Oh gosh, I don't like these hangers don't stay. I'll put them somewhere else safe. I'll put this here. And I'll leave this here. Well, I really like how she looks today. And I think it's about time to say bye. Well, bye.